All right, download the OBS project OBS, I think it's called, or the OBS project. Or
Just search up OBS.
yeah, OBS Studio. It'll come up Open Broadcasting on the Google. Should be on the top. Well, I was a little whippersnapper named the Tragic Tea. And it wasn't anyone's fault because it smelled like pee. Yeah.
Yeah.
Getting you from the bare bones. Hey, man, that wasn't a bad stream, though. You got like almost 20 viewers and 20 follows per stream. It's pretty lit.
That's because you got the team to follow pretty much.
Well, in addition to that, he was playing Dark Souls. He had some. The Dark Soul fan base is quite big.
Trying to get a lot of sleep. The remastered one.
Yep, see, you got another fan. Boom.
Yeah, Wolf is a fucking huge, huge Dark Souls fan.
Tell Wolf I'll lick his butt.
Okay.
Coming with the butt licks.
I mean, come over for that sandpaper time.
It's not like I'm.
Want to feel that taste real quick.
It's nothing. It's not like I'm asking for $1 million. That's hilarious. I see what you did there. Yeah, the downside is I can't see what you're doing yet because you don't have OBS. Gotta have to walk you through it until it gets installed. Yeah, you gotta download that OBS, but I can't walk you. I can lead you to the stream, but I can't make you drink it. Yeah. Are you looking at my stream right now? That's tabs. You got that tab set up. I tried playing a guitar once. Alright, so you gotta download and set up OBS, and then you need to go to the Mixer tab and click on your name and go to... Oh, God. Manage channel. You gotta get your stream key, and you'll have to put it in there under settings. Mucho settings. Hey. Nice. A good old pleb. Plebler Jones. Well, that's the point. We want you to get that installed so you can turn that on and stream from that instead of your Xbox. What, you got it set up? Or it's installed? You will need to open it and also open up your Mixer tab. The OBS is going to walk you through some shit. They're going to ask you, like, you want us to run the setup wizard for you and shit. Do yes. Kind of give you an idea what you're sitting at as far as your hardware. Yes. You want to start with FTL. Yeah. And that's where you're going to paste your stream key at. You need to open up the browser, go to Mixer, click on your name, like your picture, your profile avatar. And then manage channel. And then you'll see at the top it's like a stream key that's blanked out. You just click the copy and paste it in there. And then go to your video and set your canvas at 1080 and set your output at 720. Like when you click on your icon, it'll be a manage channel button. Right when you open that, at the very top, you'll see like a box with the blinked out letters in it. Like it's all blurred. Yeah. She looks so into it right now. So yeah, underneath the FTL, you paste that in there, and then you'll want to go to your output. Video, sorry. On OBS. They can hear mine, but don't think I have it. And then Squishy's playing guitar. He's on mute, so I don't know what's up with that. Or he left. He's off. Yeah. She's pretty cool though. I host her once in a while. So in OBS, you got FTL selected, right? And you have it on server auto recommended, and then you have your stream key pasted in, right? Okay, apply. Yeah. You don't have anything built. You have to build your OBS like a puzzle. So you need to go back into your settings. And you need to go to output. Make your video bitrate 2000. And then when you click on encoder on the pull down bar, what are the options it has there? That's it. Okay. And then your audio bitrate can be anywhere from 100 to 256, so I have mine on 256. Enable advanced encoder settings, yes, check. The second one unchecked. Enforce. The encoder preset is on low latency, high quality. Oh yeah, because you're streaming from CPU. Second one from the bottom. What does that one say? Just put it on the one in the middle. And then go over to on the side on the left there, go to video. Make sure the top one is 1920 by 1080. Make sure the second one is 1280 by 720. And then you want it on integer. Well, we're going to start with the settings I have to see how it looks and works on your end. So make sure at the bottom one should say integer FPS value, and then just type 60. I think there's common or something like that. Three options. Type in 60. Out of that, have your camera plugged into your laptop also. Just plug your camera in and point it. You applied an okay setting. Xbox app. Wait for it. Shut down OBS. Yeah. You open up when you plug in your when you plug in the camcorder to your. Already done it before this. Just kind of open it back up and then work on camera, work on getting your capture basically. You got it back open, OBS. He got his we had to get his settings done on OBS. Now he's plugging in the old C920, and we're gonna get his Xbox app. So good I want to. All the software that issue having with it. That one requires a Or is the software? It's bluggy. Bluggy isn't boogie. Is it the bluggin? Pancake. Yeah, I was gonna say I didn't get a boom with mine. Oh, so I was like, wait, what is that thing? That tripod though. Got a tripod in my pants, am I right? What up, devil? Alright, so you have to. There we go. I need to make sure audio was in on mine.
Turns out the delay is about 2 seconds. Let's let you guys in.
And the delay is weak. Okay, let's see. You got your camera in.
Get one of these.
You got Microsoft open. You got your stream going.
No, should I do that?
No, I guess not yet.
Okay.
Let's start with your camera. So let's go to. You got OBS open, right?
No, I got fucking Microsoft open.
Okay, open up your OBS now. You need all that open.
I don't know how to fucking open that, to be honest.
It'll be in your recents and start
OBS Studio.
Yeah. Okay, so in the bottom right hand corner you'll see a box called Scenes and it has a plus sign under it.
Right, bottom right hand.
Bottom left, sorry. Bottom left.
Bottom left, scenes, plus sign. I'm with you.
Click it and it should give you a pop-up to name something. Just type live for now. And okay.
Right.
Next to that, you'll have sources down there on the bottom with the plus sign on the bottom. So scene is what your movie is. Sources is what you want to show up on.
Alright.
Plus sign.
Just typed okay.
Okay.
I typed okay, and I'm up here right now.
So it should open up another box and it should be a pull down bar at the top. How much with devices you devices
All right. Yeah. So I'm up there, but I'm all fucking blurry. What the fuck?
Don't worry about that as long as you're getting. Start with, we'll fine tune later. Let's get all of your technology. So then we can see.
All right, video.
Flying blind, basically.
All right, video capture. Gotcha.
But once you see yourself.
Hold up. Oh, okay. Okay.
Hit OK. Save at it and make sure. Copy. Blurry is fine.
All right. We're real time, bro.
Are you taking up the whole entire box in now? Picture?
No.
Kind of just like corner.
Wait, hold up. Now I made it the whole. I made it all me, bro.
Yeah, you don't need to do all it. Yeah, you can drag it and shrink it down to like camera box size. Always want camera in the left corner. Navigates left as far as how. Seeing your video, they'll be looking for the left side.
Okay.
Okay. Next, you're going to want to, I believe, is game capture. Do the same thing. Hit that plus button there where you did the same thing. Button.
Oh, hold up. All right. So scenes, I hit the plus button, and it brings up a thing where I want to name it.
Not scenes. I'm sorry.
So
Sources.
then,
My bad. My bad. I said the wrong thing. Cancel that. Get rid of it.
all right.
We're done. Okay,
Sources
we're done
and
with the live.
capture.
Where it says live, we're not fucking with that box anymore.
All right. So I'm at sources, game capture. Okay.
Just type in Xbox.
Xbox.
You're gonna want to name these things so you know what these things are, because this is where you control your visibility of such items and/or sounds.
Okay. Do I put the thing in add existing?
No, that's if you want to make copies of stuff, and that's where all your existing stuff that you're building now will show up in the future. If you decide to make other scenes, you don't have to go and re-add it. Everything will be there for you. Kind of like history that's already pre-built. So let's say that you wanted to make a different movie, like close-up of shotgun. So there, add existing. Click OK because you like the setting. Go in, type thing, find the Logitech camera. Like everything that you do is gonna be saved.
Okay.
Like so let's say you had a TTG file that you want.
All right.
So game capture,
So just
Xbox, and when it opens
okay.
up the prompt of where all the pull, gotta check that top pull down, see if there is a window capture that says Xbox app or something like that.
Well, here's the thing. So I name it Xbox, right?
And hit OK.
And add existing. I don't want to hit that.
You don't want to hit add
Okay.
existing. You want it to new.
Okay. So then it brings me to a box that says properties of Xbox. Saying like Xbox that you named it Xbox. Alright. Crossfire. Force scaling.
No,
Allow
none of that. None of that.
transparency.
Capture. Okay, so the top one that says mode, capture a specific window.
Right. It doesn't see. Oh, mode capture any full scale application.
No, capture specific window.
Alright.
And then the next pull down box will appear that says what window, basically. Click in there and you should see something
Okay.
in parentheses that says Xbox app.exe.
Yes. Did it. Now the third one I got is match title. Otherwise, find
Hold on.
window.
Hold on.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so you want that to you want that third box, that pull down window, to say window title must match. And then just hit OK. So you should be able to see on your OBS screen when you do that, your
Yep.
Xbox app should be there, right? Like it should be your camera. Where your camera was, you should see the app on your OBS system. Your camera's probably gone because it probably got buried behind the app.
I mean, on my computer, like
On the OBS?
still on live. Yeah, on OBS it's still on live. It's still blurry. Must have done something wrong.
Yeah, I'm lost. You lost me, dude.
Yeah.
If you're looking at, if you're looking at my screen, it should look like mine right here, up in the right, top right corner. Like not squishy, not thriller. The one that says demon sensation on the top. You should have something that looks like that on your screen, basically. Like your app. Because you're capturing that app with that game capture. It thinks that it's a video game. So basically that command is capturing game capture.
Oh, that demon one?
See mine? See my mouse going around in a circle?
Yeah, okay, so go to my app.
No, I'm just saying what you just did, what you built, you put your camera on. That was the that you did. Your second one that you did should say game capture. You should have two things in your sources. One says video capture and or camera, or okay, whatever you named it. And your game capture should say Xbox if you named it that.
Huh.
In your sources, what are the two things that it says?
I know, but never. I know. Okay, so listen. So I did everything you said. I was just following your direction, but it never went back to the fucking Xbox app. That's what I'm saying.
Your Xbox app doesn't need to be. You can minimize your Xbox app. It should still show up in your OBS because it's capturing the window visually. You just don't want to close your Xbox app. It needs to stay open. Just minimize it. And then maximize your OBS and tell me if you have a picture of anything on there. Like, what are you seeing on OBS right now? A black screen, your camera, the Xbox app.
Yeah. Just seeing my yeah. Just pulling up my fucking camera on OBS.
I think Streamlabs is fucking up right now.
OBS is like pulling up that same picture on Xbox. I guess pulling up the 4 fucking screens right now.
Are you looking at my stream?
I'm looking at your stream on my fucking TV, and then on my computer, I just pulled up my OBS, and it's pulling up the same thing. I don't know, dude. And then on my Xbox app, on my fucking computer, showing Shotgun Surgeon. But it's showing up the fucking 5 screens. I don't know what this 5th one is in the middle.
So if it's showing up, am I on your OBS waving right now?
Yeah, on my TV.
Okay, not your.
Stop streaming on my computer.
I think you had it because if you look at mine, I have a Fortnite game going in the center of mine right now because that's the Xbox capture. Basically, you're sucking all the information that you have on your computer open. This is a mirror. You want to mirror the Xbox app. You're able to make yourself full screen. in your game capture now. In the scenes area. Sorry, sources. Always going to be sources now that you have that live thing done on scene. You don't need scene anymore. Always going to be sources. Camera. Two things. Don't see anything from your Xbox app, and your Xbox app is open, then right click on that thing inside your source. Click on it, click remove. Okay. Start from the Xbox app was copying over or overlaying, sitting on top. You shouldn't be able to see your camera. See your camera, you still have your game capture in the source. I click on that Xbox app. Also down. Walk you through. Gotta listen to the steps carefully.
Well, here's the thing. Like when right before you fucking put your fingers between your fuck on your nose, whatever. Like I brought that back up. Like it's the same shit. Like I just fucking start streaming on my Xbox app and it does the same shit like I just said. So I don't think it's like I don't think it's working. I don't know.
Like I want to show you on my screen.
I want to see that too. I do. Okay, so on my OBS, I'm just showing what my fucking Xbox would show. I'm showing what do you want to do? Turn off, turn console off, turn streaming off. So I'm showing on my fucking OBS.
Are you able to see my stream on the TV?
It's all now. It's all.
Someone click the Xbox button.
Because right now I'm streaming my
I'm
OBS.
streaming.
So you should be able to
it
see
says
my.
I'm streaming right now.
What did you start?
So I stopped streaming right now.
You started streaming on what? On OBS or on your Xbox?
On my Xbox.
That's not gonna.
Stop streaming.
Okay, good. Yeah, make sure that's off.
Okay, so now like my guide's open and I can see like a really little picture of you.
Okay, anything that's on your
And-
Xbox right now, you don't need your controller for. You just need to. The Xbox is done. We're done with the
Okay.
Xbox.
Okay, yeah, I'm not touching my controller.
Okay,
I
yeah.
don't.
So that thing is done skis. You should be at the home screen
Done.
basically on your Xbox. Now on your computer, you should
Alright,
have OBS
home screen.
open and your Xbox app. That's it for right now. And mix it up. It doesn't matter though. But just the important things are your OBS and your Xbox app.
Alright, OBS and my Xbox app. Okay,
After I'm done helping this guy out, I'll be with you, Wookie. Are you in my Discord? Because if you're in my Discord, or if... then send me a message there. That way I'm reminded to go look at it. Right now I need to get this guy to actually get online. Okay, I'm gonna start fresh from mine. So you're gonna watch. So you're able to see me, right?
a really little screen, yeah.
And where is that at, on your computer or on my on your Xbox? You can watch me on your Xbox so you can see what I'm doing. We're not using your Xbox to capture anything right now. We're using the app. So I'm saying if you want to go to Mixer on the Xbox itself and pull me up so you can watch what I'm doing in a big screen mode,
Yeah.
then that'll be perfect.
Hold up. Give me a minute. All right. You're 4 screens, but yeah. Okay, cool.
Yeah, you should see my confetti exploding, right?
Yep.
Cool. I'm like, you can watch what it's like to stream from an Xbox with this guy. That's Thriller right now. You'll see his shit freeze and pixelations will happen. He's using Lightstream, so he's streaming with all the shit that I'm teaching you how to do, but he has to pay a monthly fee for it because he doesn't have a laptop. So he's paying $7 a month to do what he's doing.
It's not worth it in the end.
You have a laptop, and so right now we're testing to see what kind of quality you can get out of that laptop. What up, Sinner? What up, Selfish Gamer? Alright, so if you see me on your screen now, we're going to progress from where you're at, okay? I have a scene over here that says live just like you, right? This is how yours started. Yours was a black screen, correct? Okay, when you started building your OBS in the beginning, you started with the black screen. So I'm starting on my end, you look on yours. So when you started, you clicked the plus button, you went video capture, you added a camera. We're going to do that. Bang, I have a camera now, see? You should have something similar to this. Right? On your OBS. Okay, make sure live is highlighted. Now go over there to Xbox and remove it. Right click on it, click remove. We're starting fresh. Then you should still be able to see your camera now when that's gone. Okay. Cool. Now we're going to start over. We're going to go sources, the plus button at the bottom, game capture. Just hit OK. Don't even need to name it shit. Let's just bust through it real quick. Specific window. Xbox app XE. EXE. Window title must match. That didn't work on mine. Yeah, it's like if I can still see myself with game capture, that means it's not picking it up correctly. Can you still see your camera? Or do you have the app on your OBS now? Yes. Let's try that. It's super weird. It was just working on my end. I was just watching a replay of somebody. Okay, we're gonna right click on that and we're gonna remove that game capture thing. We're gonna try window capture. So right click, remove it. Try window capture. Just hit OK. Yeah, that one doesn't have it in the property window. It's just Firefox from mine. Oh, it probably doesn't help that I closed. It doesn't help that I closed the app. Give me a second. Fuck. Is your Xbox app still open? Yeah, that's... Like, mine's showing up. It's covering up my... So you can see me being covered up, so it's showing that it's finding it, but it's black. So it's not displaying what I have. Yeah, like that right there. That's the... It's showing that that window is being detected, but it's not giving me the audio or the video. So just give me a second. Try to transform this. Start over. Do another one. We'll do game. Yeah, no shit. Captain Trag. No problem. Game capture. Okay. Specific window, Xbox app. Now it's capturing my Xbox app. So you can see on my Xbox app, I'm playing somebody's shit in Fortnite. You can see that I'm moving that around now. So what I did was right click on game capture. I don't know if you need to rebuild it again. So rebuild it the way I told you. That is the correct way to do it. So when you get to the properties, capture specific window, Xbox app, window title must match, and then hit OK. Then once you have that, you'll right click on the game capture again, and you'll go to transform, and you'll fit it to the window, or fit it to screen. So you'll see the red box fill the... no, we're doing game capture now again. Window capture's dead. It didn't pick it up. So delete it, get rid of window capture, remove that, and then hit the plus sign at the bottom again and do game capture again. We had it right the first. Specific. Mm-hmm. Should be window title. Yep, and then just hit OK. 9 times out of 10, it could just be OBS being a bitch. So worst case scenario, you would just close OBS, open it back up again. But we'll build it up. We'll get it to where everything's in place. Yeah, I know. Your camera's behind that picture. That's why I see me. Peekaboo. because this is on top. So if you look inside your sources, game capture is the first thing on top, then camera's at the bottom. That's also the order of which you're going to see things. It's your visibility order. So what you can do is to grab game capture and pull it down. You see how I'm yanking it down on my screen underneath? You can pull it underneath camera. So now I'll be on top of it. Hi. So it should, so in order in the sources should be camera and game cap. Right here, do you see? In the sources, it should say camera and game capture, correct? In that order. Camera's on top, game capture on the bottom. Drag it so that it's underneath it. Where's your camera? The words. Where are the words camera? Okay, hit plus again, and we're gonna add your camera again. That would be another day. I don't have time to do that right now. I'm trying to just get him to so where he has a camera, audio, and visual, and he can do a test stream and show that it's working. That is the biggest thing that we can get started right now. Yes, I had already been sitting around thinking about, like, just add me into your bot as a moderator, get me to do all this, and I'll just go in and do it for you. But I think it's best that you learn. That way, if I'm not around, you can do it yourself. You got your camera back? Video capture device? Did you already click OK? Or are you there waiting? Okay, just, is it showing your camera? Okay, go to configure video right there. Also, the lighting in your room needs to be up. Okay, and then you need to click devices, and it needs to be Logitech HD Pro Webcam C920. Dope. You got a clear picture?
Yeah, but
Don't worry about that. We just need visual confirmation. Hit OK. So you should have a picture of something, right?
yeah.
All right. So open up your Xbox app on your computer and click the home button in the left. You got anybody there with a video that you can click and play? Because when you click on home, it should show a feed, like activity feed with a bunch of people's pictures and shit. If you don't see a video, just click a picture or something. And then look at your OBS and make sure that it's showing the same picture that you clicked, basically. Yeah, see, mine doesn't do... When I click on pictures, it doesn't change. It just picks a videos. Look at this guy's video. Okay, so yeah, so it's picking up videos only. It does not pick up pictures. So you need to keep scrolling until you can see someone that has like a play button over their video. I'm capturing somebody playing Call of Duty 2. Fine. Is it a? It does it play? Yeah, that's perfect. But you have a visual. Cool. All right, that's a good start. Nope. So now boot up Dark Souls on your actual Xbox. Just get it started. You don't have to like start playing or anything. Just get it to start loading. Back to your computer. Back to the Xbox app. Open up the Xbox app and look on the left-hand side. You should see the little Xbox that says connection. It should have a green light, right? Like underneath where the home was.
Yeah.
Click on that. Click stream up in the. Now you go back to your OBS. Eventually you should have a picture pop up, hopefully. Something like that, I don't know. That would be a squishy question. I believe he helped someone out with that the other night.
What's that? I think
Yeah, okay. Yeah, connect automatically. So yeah, when you're looking at your Xbox app, when you click stream, you should be able to connecting the Xbox One app. Yeah, just click continue when it gives you that message. Is streaming Dark Souls remastered? Where are you streaming from? It's from the Xbox app?
I have no idea.
Yeah, I see you, Lethal. No. I don't know if I'm having an issue because I am streaming. Like, it works when I have things like this. Game capture, okay. Specific Xbox app. Hey, now it's capturing.
Like, I can't even log in.
This is great. I really don't want to see all of this bullshit from one fucking person. Like, here we go. I want to be seen on the thing. The buttons will work if you're not live, as long as you have Firebot open or whatever app you're using and everything's turned on. They should show up on your page. They should show up on your page when you're offline, regardless. If anybody else can help him look for those buttons, I'll on somebody, so I can't help you right now. I've already said that. I'm sorry. So you're able to see on my screen that I'm getting things to pop up, which is being a bitch. Like the other option is having an Elgato. You know? It goes right into your PC.
You should just leave it how it was.
Yeah, but your camera's not working on your Xbox. That's the problem. Did you ever even try up your... Did you try your camera again when you hard reset? Or did you even hard reset yet?
I did hard reset.
Green screen, you said.
Oh, I got it. Try it, right?
I mean, you don't even really need the game capture up. You can just try to stream. Just hit start stream on your OBS. See if you're able to connect. We could start with that. The only thing is they're not going to be able to hear you talk because you don't have a mic enabled right now on your laptop. You might. It'll just be what the stock mic is that's in your webcam, which is not the best. But it works. Why is it only showing things about me? Like, where is everybody else? I'm getting the display, but it pauses.
Is that work?
Did you start streaming?
Yes.
Yes, you're working. You're tonguing your hand.
Fuck. You know what it is? It's just a fucking. I know you probably don't, but it's legit just a fucking.
So you have it plugged back into your Xbox right now?
I swear to God. Yeah, it's just plugged right back into my Xbox.
And then you hit unzoomed?
Zoomed out.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what it said everywhere on the internet. It was just like, I just undid it and it worked.
Right. And then, well, what I was reading, Zoom, and it worked. And then I was reading, yeah, I
And it still didn't work, yeah.
And I was like, yeah. So I was just like, broke. But it was just.
So that brings us to the issue of you not being able to have overlays and stuff like that right now. Now you have a camera, so now you'll want to adjust the camera to point at you.
Right.
Just tilt it down a little. Perfect. Yep. Exactly.
Allah.
So if you're doing it,
Go fag. Ooh.
so if you're doing it this way, you've got to. If you're doing it this way, you would have to get Lightstream, just like Thrilla. You would have to pay per month to do it until you either get another capture card or we get that fucking window capture to work, which is a Penguin issue. Penguin knows how to do that shit. Pretty sure that exactly. So it was picking mine up, just. And then it
Here's
says,
the thing,
then it says something about controlling it from my plug in my controller to the PC and it because the Xbox app is in fact still basically the Xbox minus all of the Xbox functionality.
Right.
But right now you have a cam. I don't recommend zooming in, but maybe if you can pull it to an area that's, I don't know, closer to you and not showing you off your whole house. Otherwise, it's working.
I think that's as low.
That's as close as you're going to get now.
As I can get.
But like I said, if you want to get all the sexy pictures and shit on your dealio, it's going to require you either spending money or getting the way that we just showed you how to work. And then you can, in that same area, like where you would have all those sources, you would hit plus and add image. And then you would just add images that I either send you. Videos, you go to media source and that. Video. each piece does something different. So then there's audio where you can add threes there. Game that you're playing on the or your will capture browser. And desktop, one that will capture anything that you drag. So that's what all your sources do. Basically, do your Xbox just says press a button for you at low quality. Like your sacrifices, which is you got what you want right now. I want to go onto the stream and make sure that you have audio.